Okay, so we're back at it, talking about how to grow your business from 100 million to 200 million. One of the most common practices that mortgage lenders do is what we refer to as open houses. Going out there on a weekly or bi-weekly basis to meet with your realtors and to help them with their open houses. I always say the key to an open house is being creative. My pet peeve around right around the corner, and when someone comes out of the bathroom, you're like, hey, Johnny the mortgage guy, you want a cookie? Or here's my rate sheet. Think about it from the buyer's perspective. It's a very emotional purchase. And when they're in the home, the last thing they're thinking about is wanting to talk about their tax returns, bank statements, or things like that. You can create a rapport with the agent is your biggest win at the open house. If you happen to meet buyers, say hello, be friendly. So this way, if you are put back in touch with them, they will have a phrase, they will remember you by your face. Until next week, talk soon.